Hi guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to our channel.
What's up?
My name is Shivangi.
My name is Rohit. Welcome back. And अब हम आए हैं
The Weekend Doors property.
Yeah.
So Weekend Door basically has a lot of properties, and we are at the Purna Resorts today, which is we're going to leave all the location below, but it's basically 30 minutes drive
yes,
from Financial District, and the property looks stunning.
Let's take
I'm
it
going to
ahead.
give you a tour of the whole property. So it's a huge property with a swimming pool and all the amenities around. By the way, we're here for my birthday celebration, so wish me. So that's the entrance, and you have like a whole lawn over here. That's the birthday decoration going on. I know why is that cocoa melon over there though. And then this is the property, I think, which looks stunning. Momo, say hi. That's Mustafa. That's our event manager who's getting the pipe cleared. Alright, so this is the property and that's the entrance. So let's go inside. There's another entrance, so you have like the direct access to the pool. And now I'll take you inside. So this is how the property looks like as soon as you enter. There's like a huge seating area over here. The whole hall setting is really nice. And as soon as you enter here, there's this swing, which I think is so nice. You can just sit here and there's a pool right there. Enter from here. This is where the other area where Rohi is sitting and chilling instead of helping the girl record the video. And here's a swing and there's a pool. Over here you have a fridge to really put everything. We've come for a birthday, so we have cakes, drinks and stuff like that. There's a really humble kitchen over here with all the cutlery, plates, and even if you want to cook something, then that's that. And a very cute setting of dining area, which can also be opened from here, by the way, and you can just go out, which is so nice. I think this area is also very, very nice. So this is one of the rooms. There's a really nice bed over here, a side table, and this is how the whole setting looks like. That's sofa cum bed, so in case you have more people, then you can also convert this into bed and sleep. There's also a storage here. Plus, this is the view and the washroom, which is huge. This feels like a master bedroom because this is huge. Again, with the extra bed, double bed, and there's a window, and let's see the view from this window, which is pretty. And there's a wardrobe and an attached bathroom over here. The staircase is also very well made, and they're very small staircase, like the gap of the stairs is really small for even when you're bringing the elderly people. And as soon as you enter over here, there's an 8-seater dining table and a balcony from where you can go out, and there's one room over there, so let's go there first. The room setting is pretty much same everywhere, and the best part is, that's the outfit by the way. The best part is there's an attached washroom in every room. Rohi will take us to another room now.
Okay, now this is another bedroom, and we have just come back from an international trip, so maybe my slang could be some kind of international, but yeah, you can see the room. It's similar to the other one.
The rooms are really spacious. Like, I must say, there's a huge space for anything that you want to do. Like, even if you're coming with children, there's extra bed in every room, and it looks very tidy up, very neat and
the rooms
clean.
are very big.
Yeah.
Very nice.
This is another room again with like a bed, extra bedding, and a washroom. The washrooms are also as huge as like a storeroom. So yeah, that's about it. I think I love the property. This is like one of the best birthday properties I'm staying in. And going out, we have a balcony. And this is jacuzzi here.
Oh.
There's no water.
तो देखा ही नहीं. I think
And we can definitely, use this. Really excited to be celebrating the birthday here. So there's like a huge balcony over here. So if you like any sort of setup, oh my god, it's gonna come very, very handy. That's the terrace where also you can go and plant whatever. This is how the property looks like from the first floor. The decor still on. I think all in all, the property looks really nice and tidy, and everything has been arranged. The caretaker is also, taking care of everything. Like he's filtering the pool right now.
It's super. He's just going to the village for some work. So he just checked with us if हम कुछ लेके नहीं आए तो if he can get us something from the village. अगर हमको कुछ regular चीज चाहिए तो that's very nice.
Yeah. And we received the property in a really, really tidy condition. So that's like a win-win. It's the next morning and we're checking out from this beautiful stay. We've had so much fun staying here, and last night हम लोगों ने अच्छा खासा celebration किया था. I'm going to put the pictures so you guys can see what all we did last night, because it was a birthday celebration.
And then we slept at 5 in the morning, I guess. But overall, the property is beautiful.
It's pretty, and there were no restrictions. They were really, like, the caretaker, was really okay with whatever that we were doing, because obviously if you're coming to a farmhouse, you're coming here to have fun, and that's what we did. We partied the whole night. There was music going on. The property is very inside, so you don't have to worry about anything. You can play music, you can party the way you like to, and there's just no problem at all, right?
Yes, so we enjoyed it here. So whoever is looking for a property, get away from Hyderabad, this is the best one. So
this is really worth trying. So I'm going to leave all the details in the description below. So make sure to check it out and book your stay with the Weekender.